Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to work on the old Super Ford. Needs a tie rod. So we're going to do the outer tie rod end. And my truck takes the 1 3/8 tie rod. And this is the greasable kind. So this truck has 322,000 kilometers. And that's just over 200,000 miles, and it's due for a tie rod. I guess I went too far, but it is desperately in need of a tie rod. Yeah, so from time to time I bring the truck in, kind of have a look at everything and check the brakes and steering components and all that stuff, but I've been letting this one go a little too long, to be honest. It should have been replaced a while back now, but here it is here, this one here, and I think that needs I'm embarrassed to show you, but yeah, that's it. So we're gonna replace that. Not much feedback through the steering, to be honest, other than getting a little bit more wear on my tires was all I noticed. And from time to time, there was a bit of a knocking noise. So that's what we're going to do today, guys. We're going to change that out. So all I'm going to do here, so I don't have to do front end alignment, is I'm going to clean all this up. Measure from this to this with the calipers, and then we're going to unthread that and change it out. And with any luck, this is not all rusted up. I oil the truck every season, so that should come out easily. Anyway, let's get to it. All right, so we measured that, we counted the threads, and a third method, I guess, if you were so inclined, you could just count the turns when you take this off. There, it's as easy as that. I don't have the correct puller for this, but that's the way I do it. All right, with any luck, this will come off fairly easy. There you go, guys. It's as simple as that. Okay, we're gonna call that good, guys. It measured up and then it just fell right into place here. So there you have it, guys. That's a pretty simple job. It's easy if everything's loose and you can get it off. So if it's seized on like my Excursion was, you have to use a torch to get it off. It's a lot of work, but this one's lubed up nice and easy to get off. There, I'll just trim those. There. Now we'll just grease that and we're done. There, plenty of grease. So there you go, guys. New outer tie rod. Easy replacement. It took literally from start to finish 20 minutes. Well, there you have it, guys. That's the tie rod on the Super Ford. Thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.